G'day there! In this video we are going to go through different sales pages on your website, what they're for and how you can use them. So the first one we are going to look at today is a basic squeeze landing page, you might call it. So there's lots of different terms that are used: squeeze page, landing page. And basically a landing page is a page that people land on your website. So it might not necessarily be your homepage, which can be used as a landing page, but generally a landing page has nothing else on it about menus that have about us, services, all that kind of stuff. It's literally just something plain like this. This is just an example from one of the Elementor themes. But it's basically got a picture in the background. It's got what it's about. It's a sale. Get ready to rumble this year's mega sale. Blah, 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 blah. Pop your email in. So this is just wanting people to enter their email in exchange for the coupon code. And then I would have this set up that once they put their email in, they press the coupon code, it take them through to a thank you page, and people can then go and troll through their website if they need to. So this is a really simple landing page that you can send people straight to from your Facebook, from Instagram. You can pop it in your link tree. It's kind of a no distraction page that, once you've got what you want from them, if you like, you can they can then go to your website. But I would link, like if you've got your logo on there or your website on there, I would link that to your website, and I would put somewhere, not for me, thanks, just to give people an option if they don't want to, just to make it a little bit more friendlier, if you like. So that's the first landing page and sales page. It's sales in the way that you're selling them the code in return for something. So even though they're not giving you their well-earned cash, they are still you're still wanting something from them. So the next one is if you're going to give away a free course. This is a basic landing page I've set up for someone if they want to get the business basics course on this website. And basically it's a little bit more in depth. So we've given them the title, we've told them what it is. It's a 12-part series. We've gone through what their problems might be, a picture showing the modules, and then what each module is going to cover, with even more examples. And then take the course, they pop their email address in here. How does the course work? So we're just giving them a little bit of information about how everything will work through the course, so they know how it's going to work. Even though it's a free course, I still think explaining things to people is just really good etiquette. For what they can expect. That way, when they're signing up, they fully know what they're signing up for, and they're not going to get annoyed with what you're sending them if it's something that they weren't expecting. And then one last time before the end of the page, we're asking for their opt-in again. We're asking them to opt in for the course again. So when someone does pick this course and they pick I'm in, they just get a thank you, and then everything gets sent to their email. So if you're looking at wanting to sell to give away a course, as you can see, we've still put a lot of detail into this page, and as time goes on, I would be adding testimonials to this as well, just to create more credibility for what it is that you're offering. So the next one we're going to look at is just a very simple download our price list page, and this is one I have on the Automation Girl. Super simple. If someone wants to download my price list, and they click the button, it's going to take them through to this page. It's also a sales page because I'm selling them my price list, and I'm just asking them for a little bit of info, and then they can download that there. So super simple. All these different ideas, you might be thinking, okay, that's too much for me to do right now. As I go through, just pick what's relevant to you right now. And then we're going to go to my friend Sharon, who sells furniture paint and furniture paint stuff. And I wanted to show you an example of a sales page that's an e-commerce store. So we're not necessarily selling them a course or a program or anything like that. This is just pure e-commerce sales pages and what they might look like. So first of all, she's got it through to categorize, and then let's just look at Fusion Mineral Paint because it's my favorite paint, and I know that there'll be lots of different colors here on option that are pretty. So then she's got it categorized again, and we will go for the designer collection. And then this is a sales page that's selling products. So this is just super simple. Here's the different products available, and we can search through pages. And then let's just say I want to pick Brooke. I select options. Then it's going to take me through to the actual page of the product. I can select which size I want. I can see more pictures about the product and how it looks in different places, which it looks very pretty. And it tells me a little bit more about the product down here. And also there's a video about how to use it. So this is a sales page in the retrospect of me selling a product or a physical item. Then we've got an actual sales course landing type sales page. So this is me selling a course that you probably heard of it. If you haven't, it's the Biz Bootcamp, and we do this a couple of times a year. And while enrollments are closed, I just get people to pop on the wait list, and then when it's open, we pop shopping carts on there so people can buy the product. But this is a page, again, similar to the free page, but a lot more in depth about the course, about what the Biz Bootcamp's about, who is it for, who it isn't for, what you'll get access to, and money back guarantee, what others say, and all that kind of stuff. So it's a lot more in depth. So if you're looking at selling a course, you'd be wanting to add more on it. And this is another example of a sales page. And then finally, I wanted to show you what, if you're a service-based business, then if you're a membership and you were selling a membership, this would be something that someone would land on and find out more about your about your membership as well. So membership and e-courses, similar thing. And then if you're a service-based business, we have you might have a discovery page, or how someone can work with you, or what people need to do to get started, and that's what this page is. So it's basically telling people there's a couple of ways we can work together. I want to work on, and I'm going through what the problems someone will have. So they want someone to work with them, they need some help with their podcast editing, or they want someone to help them set up their automations and integrations. Not sure what's right for you? Book in for a discovery call. So that's another simple page where people can just book in, find what's right for them, and I can use this as a landing page too. So if I'm posting on social media, hey, want to know how you can work with me? Check out the link I've got in the bio and I'll give you the full details. And then it's showing people different ways that they can work with me. So that is a discovery call. So those are different types of sales pages, landing pages, squeeze pages. There's so many terms, but it can be very confusing. But those are different ones you can have on your website to help sell your product or services, and just give your customer more information about what transformation you can give them from them using your product or services. I hope this has helped you feel less confused, and in a different video we can go through the sequence of what someone might go through to buy a product or service. But for now, this is just to give you a rough idea of what the different sales pages are available that you can set up for your business.